Hey everybody, the point of this tutorial is to look at how to create a PDF from slides in a Keynote presentation. So our goal today is to take some of the slides from a Keynote presentation. In this case, this is our digital textbook for class, but you could use this for any Keynote presentation. But take certain slides, or you could take all the slides if you wanted to and make it into a PDF, but we're going to take certain slides today and make them into a PDF. So the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out what slides we want to make a PDF out of. So in this example, we are trying to create a PDF out of Learning Tech Concepts B7 through B9. And so what I simply need to do first is figure out which slides are included in B7 through B9. Now you'll notice along the side here, I'll move this over so you can see a little bit better, but along the side here that each slide is numbered. And so what I need to think about is, okay, let's figure out where B7 starts. Well, here it is right here. Slide 18 is where B7 starts. So that'll be the first slide that I want to create a PDF out of. The last slide is down here is the lingos for B9, okay? And so that is slide 25. Excuse me. So slide 18 through 25 is what I need for this example. Again, it really will vary depending on what project you're using, what Keynote project, and what you want out of it, and that sort of thing. So in this case, it's 18 through 29. So you're going to have to figure out on your slideshow what slides you need for your PDF. Okay. Now, once you've figured that out, right, what you need to do is you need to go to the Print menu. And the Print menu is under File, and then Print. Okay. And up will come this view. Now the first thing you want to do here, we need to understand, is we're not going to print. Okay, so don't hit return on your keyboard, don't click the print button here. Okay, we don't really want to print. Okay, but what we do is we want to make a PDF out of it. But before we get to that, we got to change some settings. So the first thing is you want to go down here, we want to go to Show Details. Now this is the preview screen over here, and you can see that the preview the actual slide is much smaller than the rest of the paper or page that it would be a part of. So we want to go here under where it says Print, we want to go to what it says Individual Slides. And when I do that, notice how the image changes. I click this. Now the image fills the whole sheet of paper, most of the sheet of paper, in this case the sheet of PDF that we want to save. So there's that part. The second thing I need to do is I need to tell it what pages I want to create in my PDF. So thinking back to those slides, remember I was 18 through 25. So I'm going to go ahead and type 18 and then 25 here in the From To part. And this tells the computer now we're going to be working with pages 18 through 25 only, not all of them. Okay. Now instead of going to Print, what we're going to do is go in the opposite corner and you'll see a control for PDF. You want to click on that. Okay. And the second menu item is Save as PDF. So we click on that. Okay. And up will come, all right, a Save menu. All right. So what we want to do here is we want to tell it where to save it to and what to name it. Okay. In this example, it depends on what you're using it for. We're going to save it as S2 your hour. In this case, we'll go to S21 from first hour, but you would put in your information, of course. Your last name all caps. You're not going to type while in AC, of course. You're going to put your last name all caps. And then in this example against B7, B9, but again, you can title it whatever you want. So it's not for a class or it's for some other class or they have some sort of requirements or you're just saving it for yourself. That's fine. The other thing you have to remember is you want to make sure you tell the computer where you want to save it. Most of the time I just like to put mine on the desktop. Desktop's not in this menu here, so I'll go over here to the side and find desktop. There it is. Okay, and I'm just going to save it to my desktop here. Alright, go down here in the corner to where the save button is, click that. Okay, and it's going to take a few seconds, then it is finished. So if I look over here now the Keynote has not changed, it's the same, but if I look over here on the side, I'll notice that there is a document now on my desktop that is my PDF that I just created. So there's my new file. Now if you save it in documents or if you save it in a special folder, that's up to you. Okay, but there's my PDF, and if I were to open this now, okay, I don't want to waste the time right now in this, but if I were to open it, I would see that I have a PDF file here that I've created. So that is the process in Keynote for going through and creating a PDF file out of a certain number of slides or any slides that you have in your Keynote creation, okay, in your slideshow. Thanks for watching.